Taggart, and this is Southern Cooks. Today I'm going to be cooking white beans and shrimp. And boy, it sure does sound good, smell good whenever you cooking it, and tastes good when you eat it. But this is pretty much an easy recipe, and this is my ingredients right here. First, we have olive oil, then we have onions, bell peppers, we have a mixture of garlic, salt, and seasoning, and then we have fresh garlic. This is a crawfish ball or shrimp ball. It's a powder, not the liquid kind. And then we have about a half a pound of sausage. This is Konetka, which is one of my favorites. You can use any kind of sausage you want, doesn't really matter. And then we have shrimp, Great Northern beans. Then we have chicken broth, salt, pepper, and then water. That's pretty much it. Really easy recipe, so let's get to it. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil, just a little dash. Then we're going to add my sausage. Like I say, I don't put much sausage in this because all I'm doing is trying to give it a little bit of grease, a little bit of flavor. I'm going to add my bell peppers. Ooh, man, that's what I'm talking about. Then we're going to add these onions in there. Just like that. My pot was really hot. I'm going to add just a little bit more olive oil. There we go. Alright. Now we're going to get this to the onions and bell peppers are a little translucent, and my sausage are just a little bit warm. I'm not really worried about cooking them. They're going to cook in the pot with the beans and everything. Ooh-wee! Boy, that is smelling good. Ain't nothing like sausage and bell pepper and onions. It's got that good smoky smell to it. Man, really good. Alright, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken stock to it. You can just use water if you like, but I use the chicken stock. It just makes it a little bit better. I'm going to add my garlic. Alright. And now I'm going to add my beans. Now I'm going to bring that back to a boil. Well, I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic salt and my seasoning salt. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt. There we go. And then I'm going to add me a little bit of black pepper. Just like that. Alright. Now this is going to take a while to cook. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it cook. And as the water starts cooking out of it, I will add more water to it because you don't want it to get dry. But I'm going to just let it cook. As soon as it comes to a boil, I'm going to cut it down to a little simmer, and then I'm going to let it cook. And I'll tell you how long after the video. Okay, we're back. And basically it cooked for about 2.5 hours. And now it's time to add the shrimp. This is what it looks like right now. all the beans are good and starting to get soft. And I'm just going to add my shrimp straight into it, just like so. And then I'm going to add my crawfish bowl, just like that right there. And stir that up. And now we're going to cook it for about another 20 minutes so that the shrimp can get done. Okay, welcome back, and we are done. It's really good. I kind of sampled a little bit, but you can zoom on in and show them what it looks like. That's what she looks like right there. You see that? All right, I'm gonna bowl some of this stuff up. Alright, that's what it looks like. I usually take a little bit of green onion, just kind of sprinkle around the outer edge, kind of give it a little bit of color. Sprinkle just a tad bit of parsley. That, my friends, is white beans and shrimp. I hope you liked the video today, and if you would go to my website at southerncooks.net, you can get this recipe. And also, I just recently, today, I made a baking cornbread. That recipe will be on there too. And look for the video, will be coming out probably in the next day or two. But anyway, thank y'all very much for watching. And as always, Southern Cooks out.